until we feel alright. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. I'm just chilling, you know, in Cedar Rapids. No, I'm joking. I was in Colorado a few days ago, but I don't live in Colorado. Oh, Jace! Yeah, I don't know if Riley's very happy out here. I'm sure she's fine. I mean, bang! And a bing and a bang. Oh my god. The neighbors are really throwing it up, and it's like 9:30. And I don't know any of my neighbors. Well, I know one of them doesn't, you know, the one over there. The heck, the lights are on. The heck? They're home? They're never home. Seriously, their mailbox is stuffed to the brim. I think I know the neighbor over there that way. I know somebody. When I moved in like a year ago, I met someone. Hello, Coco. You want to ride like the skateboard god? Too bad, I'm longboarding. So I don't know how to skateboard. I'm sure it's similar. Okay, Coco, you want to go in Schnoga? You want to go in? You want to go in Schnoga? I call her Schnoga. I don't know why. Hello, yes, you. Okay. Sound like they're dropping bombs or something. Like, maybe look over there, you can see. Oh. Oh. Very beautiful, very pretty. Right, Riley? Very pretty. Except I'm in an enclosed area with really tall trees, so I can't see nothing. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside and enjoy the rest of my evening. So I'll see y'all later.